The Tropical Collection is a brand new one from our friends at Crafter's Companion. Now, as you would expect, there's going to be bright colors and all sorts of things in this paper pad. Now, this is a thick one, so it's gummed at the top, and you're going to get a total of 48 single-sided sheets. And let me just give you a look at every single one of them. Here we go. So as you would expect, you're going to see lots of ferns, lots of plants, beautiful imagery. And we have some, let's see, that is a hibiscus. And as I said, these are single-sided. You're going to get 3 of each one, and there are 16 here. And that gives you a total of 48 that you're going to get in the package. So for scrapbookers, this is going to work well. For card makers, you can cut out the area that you like, use that for your card front, maybe use another area for your card inside. It just works oh so beautifully together. And I love this color combination with the pink and the yellow. Very fun. And let me see, I'm just about done. There we go. And one more. Okay, so all of those in this paper collection. Now, to go with it, there is also the luxury glitter cardstock. Now, this is glitter cardstock that does not rub off. There are, let me see, 6 colors and 4 colors, and you're going to get 6 of each. I knew there was a 6 in there somewhere. And so you can see the 4 colors. And you can see how you're going to get all of them. So beautiful colors. Of course, they are going to coordinate perfectly with the papers, as you would expect. So that is also included. And I'm not even done. There are all sorts of pieces to make this work. There is a Hawaiian hibiscus cutting die, and this is a really generous size. It's 4 inches by 3 1/3 inches, so that's really nice. There is also this exotic flowers, again, just beautifully done, all different pieces that you can stack together. Now, there is a cutting die. This is called Cascading Vines, and you can see how that is. It's 2 1/2 by 5 inches. Then we have a jungle vines. This too is 5 inches long by 1 1/2 tall. Then we have 2 embossing folders. This tropical swirls, it's what it's called. Now this is a 5 by 7 embossing folder. And then there is one with, it's called Aloha. So it's got all the palms on it. Beautiful, would absolutely be gorgeous. Then we have something different with a stencil. Rainforest stencil is going to work perfectly with everything. So lots of things to either use all of them or pick and choose your favorites, but everything is beginning with the tropical paper pack and highlighted with that glitter cardstock. Oh, so pretty.